How to embed a forum in Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a forum or an online community forum and how you can integrate it within Godaddy website builder of yours. So visit up your dashboard and your products on your Godaddy website or platform. Then you're going to select the website of yours and we're going to click on edit just like that. So I'm going to choose this one and we're going to wait for the website to respond. And now we are going to click on edit website, just like that. Wait for the editor or the GoDaddy website builder, just like this, and we're going to be good to go. Now, what we're going to do basically is to create a section that we're going to have an embed code in. So this is the website. I can go ahead and click on the plus, as you can see, buttons or circles in here to create another section. Click on them and you need only to select the right place to embed it. So I'm going to embed it in here under the form or the specific subscription form that I have. So you're going to find the embedded or the embed forms or into the specific files and web. Click on here, click on HTML, add or add again. It depends if you have added it already. So you're going to have it just like that. Now, what we're going to do is to scroll down a little bit and click on custom code. We're going to let it as it is, and we're going to head over our forum creator. So I usually use website toolbox to create forms because it is going to be the most logical way to create a form. So it is has going to be a free trial right there, so you can not bother yourself with it. So here we have the, as you can see, the trial. We are going to use a username, for example. I'm going to have here a username, and we are going to create a password. So this is a real quick. A little reminder, guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, usernames, are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. Make sure that you are going to use your own information. I'm going to click on create your form, and now we are going to get started. So we can visit your form, customize it, connect it, promote it, or monetize it. So we are going to visit our form first, and we are going to take a look for it. So this is the form. I'm going to ignore the enablement of the notifications. Now, as you can see, we have the topics and also we have the categories. You can go ahead and create a new topic by clicking on new topic, put the title, the content of it, select the category that you're going to have the topic on, the tags, so you're going to have it well known and also for future references. And also we have a content editor, as you can see from the source code, which is going to be HTML, to the simplest one. Also, we can go ahead and have a poll on this specific topic, and you can navigate through. You can visit or see your members that you have in here and search for the numbers or members, and then you can set up maybe a communication between them. So as you can see here, we have the community forum. So I'm not going to have it at here. So also you can go ahead and customize it by customizing our theme. And you're going to find that we have here a lot of themes. So I'm going to try this. I think it is going to be a colorful customization or theme. So it is going to load up the preview. I think this is a better. So this colorful form is going to be very attractive. You can go ahead and modify the identity, for example, for description, logo, icons, and etc. You can also modify the colors and backgrounds. I'm not going to change them. I think that this is going to be enough. Here we have the header image. You can change the header image if you want. The fonts, you can go ahead and play with the fonts and welcoming message and additional CSS if you know how to add some specific customization. Now, aside from that, you're going to have the customization also to create additional categories and also reviewer settings. So you can go ahead and click on review settings, and then you're going to have maybe a domain for it. You can control the privacy policies in here, see or manage the users that you have, for example, managing the approvals, verifying profiles, titles, and etc., and also the posts. You can also check up the posts from here and let the AI moderation work on here and etc. So that was pretty much for the customization of the, let's say here, the forum. For the users, you're going to have here users. You can manage their action, for example, see the permissions. For example, you're going to have maybe this one. This is the owner, or it has, or we have the all permissions. You can edit our permissions and put whatever we want from here, from having APIs, billings, calendars, and etc. Now, aside from that, from this left bar, as you can see, or this left menu, we can go ahead and control everything about our forum. So we can control the categories, the pages that we have, the files that has been integrated, or you can have them uploaded just right there by the members and the admins. So we have also the calendar. You can have some calendars, add some permission to the calendar, for example, to book up let's say events, etc. We have the analytics of your forum and etc. Now, for the most important part in here, how to embed it into our website on GoDaddy. You're going to click on integrate. After that, you're going to see a large integration platform. Click on embed, and then we're going to have the forum, the topics, posts, or a specific page. Choose what do you want to embed. For example, here a topic or a post, and post only, or the whole forum, like our today's video. You're going to maybe need a domain, maybe not. You can go ahead and click on skip, and then you're going to see that we can basically have it embedded into all the uh, platforms. So we are going just to copy the code, head over your website GoDaddy Builder, and we are going to paste it right there. And as you can see, this is our form. So it is going to be light and easy to use, and also very, very, as you can see here, uh, let's say attractive, and also very easy to use. So now let's see the preview of the forum into our GoDaddy website. I'm going to click on preview, and we are going to see it right there. So as you can see, this is it. I can navigate through it from here only, and I can go ahead and click on create a topic, and I can sign up or sign in for my account. So this is going to be the news, and everything is going to be embedded into our website. Nothing, or you can go ahead and have this forum integrated into another window, but it is going to be the case that it is going to be fully embedded, and this is something very, very good. And that is also going to be for the light elements that has the or the code contains. So you can have everything, let's say, checked only onto one embedded code or page right there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.